Hello guys, this reel or video is a tutorial about how to create your account on Arattai app. So if you're interested in knowing the details of Arattai app, then do watch this reel or video till the end. This reel or video will be lengthy as I will explain in detail. At first, you have to open Play Store or App Store and search for the Arattai Messenger and then install it. Arattai app is ranked top free social media app in both Play Store and App Store. Arattai is developed by Zoho Corporation under the Made in India initiative. Arattai in Tamil means casual talk or chit-chat. Then you have to simply tap on Agree and Continue. Then you have to type mobile number for OTP verification. After that, you have to type your name, and if you want, you can add profile picture as well. This is a Made in India alternative to Made in US app, which is WhatsApp. This app is being recommended and praises by various politicians and celebrities on Twitter. This is how the settings section of Arattai looks like. In the storage and data section, you will find it similar to WhatsApp. In the device section, you can log in your Arattai account in other devices. In the account section, you can change your mobile number, sign out, and delete the account. In the security section, you can create passcode lock, which is app lock. Other than that, you choose who can see your last seen, profile photo, phone number, and more such things. If you tap on the pencil icon, which is at top right corner, there you can set your username, which any person can use instead of the mobile number for finding you in the Arattai app. This is how the stories in the Arattai app looks like. Here you can even create, join and schedule meeting with screen recording feature. While creating your username, you must follow these guidelines. In order to search someone's profile, you have to simply type the username of that person. For example, my friend name is Shivam, whose username is Shivamon11. Here you can send voice message, photos, videos, documents, location, and much more. But as of now, the only problem is that chats are not end-to-end encrypted. Zoho said that it will bring this highly required feature soon. Meetings and calls both are end-to-end encrypted. Now let's see how the audio and video call works. Obviously, in video calls, you can show both rear and front side. Not only this, you can even share your screen, but screen recording is not available in calls. If I missed any feature or you want to know about a specific feature, do let me know in comments. And if you like this reel or video, share it with your friends and family, and follow or subscribe TechyMate for more tech content.